You're gonna have to get back here and help me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I crashed.
Oh, crap.
And my foot's hung into the bike. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Out here with Kevin. I'm gonna check this spot out. We haven't been out here in a while. I was wondering if after the monsoon rains, how much different it is out here in this desert. There's kind of a canyon out here too. There's the Mountains over here. Still got to take it easy. Can't get too crazy. It's a little rough out here. It's not real bad, but there is some pretty good rocks bouncing around.
Oh, yeah. Bouncy rocks.
Do what?
I said bouncy rocks.
Yeah. Somebody called them baby heads. I never heard them called baby heads before, but like, what's baby heads? He's talking about them rocks all over the trail, them big round rocks. Oh, okay.
That's funny.
They just call them rocks.
Ooh, oh my gosh, watch out right there. It don't look like it, but it's stupid sandy.
I seen you kind of, whoa, it is, ain't it? Wow, my front tire started to turn as soon as I hit it. I see some tracks, coyote tracks.
I did see it and I almost went down.
Yeah, it's squirrely.
It is, that's some deep stuff right there. More sand, a lot of sand through here. I remember there being a decent bit.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's been a while since we've been out here. This is the spot that Keith showed us. It's so soft you get, especially in the middle of it.
Yeah, that's why I just try to
You gotta
stay in the little rutted, in the little rutted ditch, but I try to keep myself as straight as possible and just keep my RPMs up for my front weight or front end light.
You got an itch right on top of my head. I think the trail went left there.
I was about to say it looks like it goes left.
Well, I remember that ditch, and there had like boards across it, and now it's all gone. It's washed out. That ditch, it used to be where you went across it. Now they've made a trail around it. It's definitely been a while since we've been out here.
Did that just go back on where we were at?
No, you're right. We
Did
just
that
bypassed.
keep going somewhere?
Huh?
Did that keep going somewhere?
Which way? Left?
Up there. Was that actually a dead end? Or was there
Yeah, that is dead end.
Oh, okay.
It's just a circle turnaround spot.
I was about to say that's what it looked like.
Yeah.
Some of the trails are hard to see out here.
Yeah, you can miss them pretty easy out here. I was saying I got an itch on top of my head and I can't get to it.
It's usually when I just grab the front of my helmet and
move the helmet back and forth. Whoa, golly. Heck, thinking rocks. That bike was just skating on top of them. Crazy. Thought I was going to go down there for a minute. Uh-oh, soft sand here. Look at you. I see you wallering around up there.
That's some dicey stuff.
Yeah, man, that is like powder. It's so soft.
It is.
And deep.
That's the least tractiony stuff I've ever ridden in my life.
Crazy.
I mean, other than like snow.
Least traction-y. Golly.
I still think that's almost worse than snow.
It's soft. That's crazy. Yeah, probably go better in snow than that stuff.
Because snow at least kind of like packs down and you can get a little bit of grip.
And that stuff don't.
Yeah, that don't. It just keeps turning and turning and turning.
Churning and churning. There's some more of it.
I am a E-class rider in the sand.
Oh my gosh. About to bury the back of my bike in this crap. It is so soft.
Yeah, I know. Man, when you grew up in rich soil, the sand is tough.
Yeah, exactly. Grew up in hard dirt and get to sand, it's a big, new world. And people that ride the sand all the time, you get good, I guess.
Whoa.
I'm an amateur.
Yeah, that's how you know them people who rip it up on those sand tracks are freaking wicked.
I think I'm worse than an amateur in the sand. I'm like a baby.
That's what I was saying. That's why I said I feel like an E-class in the sand.
Oh my goodness gracious. I'm trying my best to stay out of it. Yeah, we go left here. Golly. Got to bury the back of the bike there. Digging a rut.
Sandy mess.
Gosh. Even in the road, I don't remember being right here. In this spot, not like that.
Yeah, it must have washed in the road more, because I don't remember it being this much in the road either.
Probably did.
That stuff will give you a workout, that's for sure.
No doubt. No doubt. Okay. That monsoon may have washed a lot of this out. Different, I'm sure.
Oh yeah.
I don't remember that sand back there being that deep. Nothing like that. Here comes some rocks.
Stay on the left side.
Gotta get over there first. Jeez. Some loose stuff. Just like walking into the tires. Goodness. Watch for people coming around the corner. Yeah, out in here. Even though I've never seen anybody out there.
I usually thinking about that. I wasn't thinking about that today.
That's where Keith got in the wreck out here. I think that's what he said.
What, you got in a wreck with a side-by-side?
Yeah, I don't remember the deal. It's still his headlight shroud is hanging up in a tree out here.
That's crazy.
The tree that he hit.
I could have sworn I remembered you saying something about it, or maybe even showing me a picture.
Yeah, if I see it again, I'll show you, but I don't remember where it was. We just happened along that part of the trail.
Oh man, these trails are awesome through here. Yeah, I was wanting to remember where that road was. I kept meaning to ask you because on like some of these times I just go to venture off, I've been wanting to ride this because it's something short, fun to ride because it's like right here next to the house without having to ride like half an hour or more away.
Yeah, if you just go out through there and you see we turned at that Country House Cafe, that green restaurant.
Yeah, we took that one left right there, and then we took the right.
The next right is a stop sign.
Yeah, I was paying attention to that.
And then go down to that weird painted sign.
Yeah. Yeah, I got to keep that in mind.
It's not hard to find. You ride the streets back in there, you'll find that sign.
Yeah. Pretty hard sign to miss.
Yeah.
See, there's another trail.
I don't know.
This is right by where the hill climb's at, ain't it?
I think so. Yeah, we're getting close.
Because it looks like we're about to dip down into it here soon.
Somewhere out here. That's what I say, it's been a while since I've been out here.
I love bowl turns like that. Oh, bowl turns are some of the most fun turns.
Yeah. Here, right here is the tree that Keith hit, I believe, but the number plate's gone.
Huh.
I think it was that tree there that he hit. He'll correct me on here when he watches the video if I'm wrong.
Probably.
No, that's not the tree.
See, this is what I remember most of the road being like right here. Is like this light sand.
Yeah.
With a little bit of gravel mixed in.
I don't know why I chose this if I was thinking of something smooth. Because it's not smooth.
Oh, I was wondering why you picked out here whenever it comes to
I guess
smooth,
I just wasn't.
I don't remember anything out here being anywhere close to smooth other than like just the light parts like that, you know.
Yeah. This ain't too bad, really. I mean, it's just stupid rocks.
Ooh.
Baby heads. Oh, wait, maybe that was the tree.
Yeah, I was about to say,
know.
maybe this is the tree. This looks like a good tree to run into. Bless you. Ooh.
I got my foot hung under here.
Watch out for that red.
You're going to have to get back here and help me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I crashed.
Oh, crap.
And my foot's hung under the bike.
I'm coming.
Oh. There, I got it.
Got it?
I got my foot out from there anyway. Jeez.
Oh, no, I'm still trying.
I got on that berm, I guess, right there. Huh. Goodness. And slid, and I don't know what I exactly done. Something stupid. Whew.
Oh, that was almost bad. I went to go turn up that thing, and I killed my bike, and I almost fell over the opposite way down the little hill.
Well, good gosh. Don't need both of us down. Whew.
Whew.
I just kind of got on that stuff there, and the tire turned and kind of kept turning.
Oh yeah, that's really loose right there.
And just laid it over it. That wasn't even hard, really. Okay. I don't know if that worked. Let me get on it. Whew. Gosh. Wear me out.
There's some hard pack you can pull up to right here if you want to put your kickstand down.
I'm good.
It's like 30 feet up here.
I'm good. That is soft stuff.
That is
Bike don't even want to take off.
It's just spinning.
Jeez. Oh. Okay, we got all that. Whew. Yeah, this can be a rough spot out here. Some places.
Oh.
You good?
Yeah, right there where that rut is, I almost fell down into that.
Oh yeah, it's a crazy spot.
Because I went to go turn up around it to go around it, and then I let out a little bit too much on my clutch and my bike died because I didn't have enough gas going.
Okay,
and
guys.
I fell over, but I saved it that way.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get off here. We'll make another video. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below if you want to see the rest of this. Click that bell and you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Catch y'all on the next adventure. God bless and ride on.